This is crazy. And then all it's left to do is put in the plastic, right?
I think so.
This works. Isn't there a calibration thing?
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I don't know anything about it.
Yeah, let's see.
I think you gotta turn it on. Whoa!
Turn it off
again.
It's shocked.
That's not good.
No, I think it's supposed to.
And probably deeply motor back and forth and unplug everything.
Here goes Max.
You can do it?
82.9 volt. What's it supposed to be at?
84.
But after it's fresh charged, they say it doesn't quite get to 84. I did hear him tell me that. It'll be a little under.
Jeez. Jeez.
It's alive.
This is violent.
Wait, I don't know what mode we're in. I don't know how to do the modes. It's got a 1, a 2, and a 0. That don't seem as violent.
Woohoo! It's alive.
We have a functional vehicle.
Do what you have to do. Now,
Oh, my back hurts so bad. Okay. Oh, we gotta strap that down, the battery.
Yeah.
We haven't done that yet. We'll bring it around to the garage and we'll. That thing is so wedged in there though. Can it even move? It's.
Start going anywhere.
I don't know. I mean, the top. I don't think it's going anywhere. We'll go pull it around the garage and we'll see if we have a strap we could put on it. But what do we call this thing?
I don't know.
The Saranster little mini moto e-bike. Hopefully the chain doesn't grenade on us. We're gonna do our inaugural ride up to the garage to look for a strap for the battery, but that battery was so tight, I don't think it's going anywhere. But alright, I'm gonna turn this thing off for now. What do you think?
Nope.
Alright, let's try it out.